finally opening up again. At last. It took such a long time. But here we are. So, I'll tell you what I do and how we've opened up. Cheers. So it's back to work, intermittently anyway. I'll see you in a moment. So what else happens during the opening up of things and the beginning of life again? Well, it's time to get back to the gym. I'll see you in a bit. Some of us have been able to get out and about a bit more. Some of us have started work, perhaps not full time, or some of us have started intermittently. Some of us have been out running about, gym and so forth. But there's one more thing that we really need to be doing. We need to get out to the zoo. Okay, so that wraps up how we've opened up and what we've been doing. I know it's going to be different for different families and different people and different levels, but obviously there is a lot of fear around still. People are still unsure about what's happening and what's not and where they should be and how they feel. And I've just obviously shared what we've been doing. Probably not everyone's has been as brave as us. But there is a lot of fear around still. But the word says that you have not given us a spirit of fear, but a love, power, and a sound mind. Yeah, so let's just, if we can, do what we can, being sensible as we can. But we were born to overcome a lot of things, so let's get out and do that and take each day as it comes.